Want to unlock explosive sales growth on Amazon? Then get ready to learn how to harness the power of Amazon coupons. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account from the main menu, hover over Advertising, and then click on Coupons. Now, click the Create a New Coupon button, typically located at the top right of the page. Next, search for the product you want to offer a coupon on. You can search by ASIN, SKU, or product name. Once you found it, click Add to Coupon, and then click Continue to Next Step. Here's where the magic happens. Choose between a percentage discount or a money off discount. Enter the discount amount you want to offer. I recommend testing different amounts to see what works best for your product. Set your budget. Amazon recommends a budget that can sustain the coupon for its entire duration. Choose a start and end date for your coupon. Consider running coupons for a limited time to create a sense of urgency. Now, target your audience. You can target all customers or specific groups, like Amazon Prime members, for maximum impact. When selecting your target audience, it is important to understand your customer base. Review all your coupon details carefully. Double-check the product, discount amount, budget, and targeting options. Once you're satisfied, click Submit Coupon. Finally, monitor your coupon's performance. Track key metrics like clicks, redemptions, and sales to optimize your campaigns, and watch your sales, so be sure to analyze the impact the campaign has.